All right, this video is for our single arm dumbbell bench press. There are a couple reasons why we pick this, especially at the intermediate or even the beginner stage of an athlete. One, single arm movements avoid any imbalances. You can direct all your effort through the arm that you're actually working. Two, they're a little bit safer in the case in which, again, there's some sort of lapse of coordination where the dumbbell gets off track. You can have that offhand to kind of use it in case you ever needed to. And the third reason is it actually has some additional benefits as far as how it challenges the rest of the body versus when you actually do standard barbell bench press or just two dumbbells in each hand. So that's why I'm actually going to demo it from this angle right here. Okay, so if you're working with a moderate to heavy load to where, again, you're just rolling back and it's hard to get it above that chest, above that armpit area, what you can go ahead and do is put it on a knee and kind of give it a little bit of a kick up to slowly rock back into position. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I even use that offhand, just as I mentioned. From here, okay, we want to be mindful of the path of the dumbbell that we actually take. So narrower is going to be safer, and narrower is a pretty good option. Okay? You'll notice that I have my feet underneath my hips. I need that additional form of support, especially. Okay? If I decide to go wider, okay, that does a couple things. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but keep in mind it does put a little bit more stress on that shoulder joint, so you do need to be mindful of it. Another thing that happens as I go wider is you can kind of see, if I'm not mindful of my posture and my core here, that my left side is now being taken off the bench because I have a dumbbell pulling me to that side and I'm not activating it. So as we go down, we got to be able to brace and stabilize that opposite side of the core if we come wide and continue to keep our feet flat on the floor. I also want to make sure that the path of where I start and where I finish is consistent from rep 1 to rep 8 or whatever the ending rep is.